Hey Bob, this is McKinley. We talked on the phone earlier today. I just wanted to get this quick video to you to show you how you can beat your competition online and get more leads and more customers. So starting out, you have a really cute site. I love your color scheme. It's very clean and streamlined. You have good images. But scrolling down, I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. And content is important because you can put keywords in there, and also Google reads all of the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to, and therefore how to what to rank you for. So we'd want to do about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage. Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500, and your closest, I mean, not the closest, but the number one competition in your niche has only 500 words, so 1,000 to 1,500 would really blow them out of the water. So I wanted to give you a brief rundown of why the Google ads might not have been working super well and why they were so expensive. And we definitely don't have to do them, but I just wanted to explain that a little further. So Google really just wants to take everyone's money. That's what they want to do. So if you're not extremely specific about what words you're putting into your ad to target, they'll just throw it up wherever it's even partially relevant so that people might click on it and they can charge you. So if you do ever run Google Ads again, you want it to be extremely specific to what you're trying to do. But this right here is the Google Map Pack, or GMB, like we discussed earlier. And no one ever really clicks on more businesses, so it's super important to be in this top 3. And we do that by getting you more citations and good reviews than any of your competition. Citations are any time your name, address, or phone number is listed on the web. Your business's name, address, and phone number, of course. But as far as good reviews go, I did find you 5th in the map pack, so you're already doing really good. And it's because you have almost immaculate reviews. You have 4.8. The top people have 4.9. So you're like neck and neck, like rating wise. And you have twice as many as WMD carpet cleaning. And you have 19. So OxyFresh, you still have more than them as well. But citation wise, you only have 16 citations on the web. And the next organic ranking person, we haven't gotten to them yet. They have 27 citations, and OxyFresh right here, which is number 1 in the Google Map Pack, so you think they would have the most citations. He only has 15. He has less than you. So we'd want to end up getting about 40, so that we're having even more than even the highest organically ranked guy. And if we get your site organically ranked, that'll push your GMB even higher. And getting those citations will help as well. And we can optimize your profile so that it has like properly labeled photos and like a completed profile and stuff. And that'll get that pushed up in there. But we're going to go into Eris, which is a tool that I use to see your site in more depth. So you can see right here you have a power of 18. And this one is kind of low, but so is your competition's. So if we push that up, that would give you a big advantage. You have 18 sites linking back to you and 69 backlinks overall. Backlinks are any time that another site has a link, and when people click on that link, it takes them to your site. Backlinks are other sites telling Google that your site is relevant and that it is trustworthy. So backlinks give your site a lot of power. It is a huge ranking factor, and it's important to get quality links because not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to get backlinks from sites that Google views as trustworthy. Right here you can see you're getting about 30 clicks to your website per month, and you rank in the first 100 pages for 58 keywords. But we don't want to be in the first 100 pages, we want to be in the first page. So let's go farther into your keywords and rank them by your position on the page. You are in the 4th position for this word that gets 20 searches per month. The 11th position for these two. These are the high ticket words. So let's take a look at what happens when we rank for those high volume words. So this is your competition. He's number 4 in the organic search results. He is under 2 really big nationwide companies like OxyClean or something. But it's really easy to outrank big companies as long as you're optimized properly, because Google prefers local businesses to national businesses. But we can see he doesn't have a whole lot of content either. This is the guy that has 500 words. So as long as we get 1,000 to 1,500 like quality content words, we're going to outrank him in that sense. But I plugged him into that other site as well. You can see he's only 15 power wise, and you are at 18, so you're actually above him, and he's also super low right here. So like I said, we'll get that up. They have 14 referring domains and 255 backlinks, so they have a lot of backlinks. However, it's not super great to have way more backlinks than referring domains, because then it kind of looks spammy that you just have a bunch of links from one site. So your ratio actually looks better than his, but he is ranking in the top 100 pages for 43 keywords. We organize these. As you can see, he's ranking in the 4th position for these keywords. It's actually only 2, but it's the high volume, like high ticket keywords we mentioned earlier that we should definitely target. Like this one, carpet cleaning Grand Junction, has a volume of 150, which means it gets 150 searches per month. And carpet cleaning Grand Junction gets 250. So if we utilized keywords properly and targeted those high volume ones, this is what it could do for you. Like we saw earlier, you're currently getting about 30 clicks per month to your website. He's getting about 155 clicks to his website per month. So 5 times the amount of traffic, and therefore 5 times the amount of customers. So if we were to outrank him and you were getting 5 times the amount of customers, what would that do for you and your business? Personally, I think you'd have to hire some people, but that's just part of growth. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to get a coffee or lunch sometime, answer any questions you may have, go over your vision and plans for the future. Once again, my name is McKinley. My number is right here. My email is right here. Feel free to contact me anytime, and I will definitely be in touch. Thank you. Have a good night.